Hello and welcome to this analysis. Today I am covering Deepak Nitrite, uh, a blue chip stock which has had a phenomenal run, as you can see from my screen, from 2011-12. It had a fantastic run and continuously making higher lows: 2013, 2015, 2016, 2018, and in the COVID time also another higher low. In fact, it is among the few stocks which did not do a major correction from December 2019 till March 2021. The correction, as you can see in in this in the month of March, was only 15%. In fact, in Feb it was up 20%, Feb 2020. So the stock actually was an outperformer, and after that also we can see continuous bull trend in it. Now the interesting part in this monthly chart, as per the study of Ichimoku, is that the baseline was never violated right from 2017. Once it started this up move of 2017, it was never violated right up to 2023 Feb, when it went below the baseline. Now, technically, in as per Ichimoku, stock cutting the baseline usually sees a unwinding in the time frame depending on the kind of investor involved in the stock. So some investors must have taken an exit in the stock once this has happened out here. Nevertheless, it has now also in the monthly gone on to give us a bearish Tenkin Kijun crossover. May not be a great one because the stock has gone more sideways, which we will try to analyze in the weekly time frame. Now, from the lows of 2017 from till the highs of October 2021, the stock has seen a retracement of 50% of this move, and just a little less than 50%. Now let's have a look at what the weekly is telling us out here. In the weekly, we can see that this channel trend line has not been violated after its formation. It's gone up to here, dropped down, gone up. In fact, in this time frame, that's why I said that bearish TK crossover of the monthly may not be that a strong one, but we still will look at it with a lot of caution, is because of this sideways move in the stock from uh, 22 March. You can see the stock went down, up, down, completely in a sideways zone. So that particular crossover is will be looked at with caution, not too bearish, not too what do you call, not even that lightly that we ignore it completely, but we look at it from slowly angle from that point of view. Now, in the weekly time frame, like I said, sideways above 2350, the stock will get stronger and stronger, and we'll have a first resistance above 2350 at 2675, and then probably another ATH likely in the stock. But right now, at a resistance wall of this trend line, which you can clearly see in the daily time frame now. Yes, the this huge candle which was made on 24th of May got arrested at this falling trend line out here, and from there we are seeing the stock take a smallish dip, go complete sideways, and again on today 5th June has tried to again push its way up today from there, but nevertheless not so much. Now the up move in this will come only if it manages to push its way above this particular level out here of 2130, and this is a small resistance than 21540, because it might do some pause out here and then start moving up. So ideally, mega short covering or anything of that sort in the short term will come above 2160, 2150, 2160 for that suggested level of first I would say 2250 and then 2350, which is a huge wall. Above that only we have a good 300-400 point move in it. Now, where is the downside support for the stock in the immediate short term? It's at right now at 2080. If that doesn't crack, the bigger one is at 2025 or 2025, 2050. If this does not hold, then the stock is in trouble. because below that level of 2000, 2025, 2050, it will start slowly getting pressure to push its way down to 1900, wherein the weekly, we can see that this particular level of 2000, after that the stock has no support below 1885 to 1900, 1885, 1900. Any breach of this would mean that this TK crossover, the bearish one, is going to have a major impact to push the price further down towards 1600 in that case. So from an extreme short term point of view, I would keep 2000 for 2550 as my trail. Below that, definitely not going to be bullish till all the way down to 1900. Anything below 1875 is going to be bad for the stock. In case, then this was a bull trap in the trade. While the bullish above 2154050 to push for 100 to 200 bucks, and above that an extreme strong rally would be possible, but that would take some time to happen. It's not going to be that easy to breach above 2350, because we can also see that 2350 out here is a massive baseline of the monthly resistance formation out there. It will need a lot of effort to break above it. But as we see the history of the stock, always higher highs in the monthly, and tends to give us good moves after sideways correction. You can see the sideways in 2013, 2015, 2018, and again now very similar kind of corrections happening in the stock each time. Not too major, so the stock will still remain from a long term, medium term perspective. Good buy if it comes in that range of 1600 or above the 250 to 2350 zone, and accordingly one should set up their position. A disclaimer: this is not a trading advice. Please do your thorough study. This is only for educational purpose using Ichimoku multi-time frame systems. Kindly do your research properly, and I hope this your videos are help to you. So don't forget to like it, and happy investing, everyone. Bye bye.